Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Breathing deeply when done with intention, deep and conscious breaths can restore your chakras as well. Each inhale directs energy to your chakra, while each exhale allows awareness to settle into your chakras. This practice can open up your chakras and bring harmonic balance back to your mind, body, and soul.
Take our lead.
Your weakest chakra is the fourth chakra, or heart chakra, located in the center of the chest around the heart. This chakra is connected to unconditional love, empathy, compassion, self-love, and acceptance. When the heart chakra is imbalanced, you may feel apathetic, hopeless, unworthy, and unwilling to forgive.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Once all of the chakras are opened, the energy evens out, and becomes balanced. Open the root chakra, red. This chakra is based on being physically aware and feeling comfortable in many situations. If opened, you should feel well balanced and sensible, stable and secure.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The function of the chakras is to spin and draw in this energy to keep the spiritual, mental, emotional and physical health of the body in balance. Rudolf Steiner considered the chakra system to be dynamic and evolving.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Hold the pendulum a few inches above the crown chakra and wait for it to move automatically by picking on subtle vibrations. Keep moving to the next 6 chakras while noting down the direction in which the pendulum is swinging. You can carry a pendulum chart for reference.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.